Mugodaine wa Daniel Muriuki itora-ini ria Gacatha Gichugu kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga nikuo minista wa MAAI Eric Muga atongoretie maafitha a thirikari hamwe na anyiti itemi kunyabara tabarira ya urimi wa MAAI ya KANDEKI. MAAI matabarira eno maumite rũĩ-inĩ rwa Nyamidi kuria arimi makiria ya 250 magunikite na MAAI ma kurima.
Food security is a matter of national importance, and the ministry through the State Department of Irrigation working with development partners is committed to achieve that, and the farmers also have to commit to achieve that.
Daniel Muriuki ni umwe wa arimi aria magunikite na tabarira eno na kwirahira baita nene hari urimi wake wa nyanya na mishiri.
When it is like this, you are likely to get to 200 crates. In case all is well, and you happen to get 5,000 per crate, that is $1 million from half an acre.
Oh.
Okay. Meaning
from 15,000
in maize.
Yeah, in maize.
Akiaria mugodaini uyu, minister wa MAAI augite kuri na tabarira 24 cia urimi wa MAAI thiini wa gitaru kia Mount Kenya na KENDA shiri kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga.
With the World Bank and other stakeholders to replicate this to around 245 projects.
Being replicated, and the High Excellency is still trying to ensure that small irrigation projects like this are encouraged so that our farmers in this country can benefit and earn something in their pockets.
Anyiti itemi tabarira-ini eno matongoretio ni murugamiriri munene wa bengi ya Equity na barothi wa bururi wa Jerumani magikinyiriria bata wa kunyitirira arimi matura-ini makiranira guthii na mbere kuheana uteithio wa kibeca.
We have been able to do 24 irrigation schemes. Those are viable demonstration of what is possible, and I'm glad that with the support of the World Bank and the government of Kenya, will be scaling this project to cover over 200 irrigation schemes.
The interesting thing is that we are using this project also to learn how to implement and to see the concrete effects on the ground, and then expand it also to other parts of Kenya, because as you know, KIRINYAGA is, of course, this is one of the bread baskets, but there are a number of other counties where we can apply this model and increase the productivity of agriculture.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Gichugu wa Wandiro.